Hi guys, I hope you are all doing great. Well, this is me again, Aman. Today we are going to discuss the fifth part of this series. Let me tell you, if you haven't watched the previous parts, do watch them. Description में आपको link में provide कर दूँगा, वहाँ से आप वो सारे देख सकते हो. And in this video we will also solving some important net PYQs. So let's see what is there in this video. Well, the first question is here: who among the following is a proponent of a dialect approach to the city of Indian society? And this question is related to D.P. Mukherjee. He is the one who has adopted this dialect approach to the city of Indian society, and he was very much influenced by Karl Marx. So he focused on history, economy, and he also talked about modernity, tradition. And he said traditions do change. While talking about the same, he has given three principles of a change, like Shruti, Smriti, and Anubhav. And he's the same person who preferred to call himself a Marxologist. ये आपको याद रखना है. This is important. ये question आया है और आता भी है ये बहुत. And there is this other important thinker, Andhra Bedi. He is from Weberian perspective, and he is also known as the first one in Indian sociology who has adopted this Trinitarian model of Max Weber, like class, states, and power. आपने पढ़ा होगा. Let's see your next question. Who among the following describes society as a sui-generik? Sui-generik is a key word of Emil Durkheim. And let me tell you also what does this sui-generik mean. It simply means that society has its own existence, it has its own entity, it has its own reality. यहाँ पे इमाम दुर्कheim क्या कहते हैं कि ये जो सोसाइटी होती है इंडिपेंडेंट होती है. यहाँ पे इंडिविजुअल मरे या जिए उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ती है, क्योंकि ये जो सोसाइटी होती है इसकी अपनी एग्जिस्टेंस होती है, ये फिर भी एग्जिस्ट करेगी. यहाँ पे राइल ब्राउन एंड बी मैलिनोस्की हैं. दे आर नोन एज अ फादर्स ऑफ ब्रिटिश एंथ्रोपोलॉजी. आपको याद रखना है. रुथ बेंडिगेज है. शी इज़ मोस्टली known for her work Patterns of a Culture that was published in 1934. Let's see your next question. The view that authority relations are the main cause of social conflict was held by whom? There is this conflicted thinker who has focused much on authority. That's none other than Ralph Dahrendorf. And he was influenced both by Karl Marx and Max Weber. He talked about subordination, superordination, and types of conflict groups like cause, interest, and conflict groups. वो आपको ज़रूर देखना है. And यहाँ पे रैंडल कॉलिन्स है. उसके मेजर कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं like introduction ritual and culture capital. Actually it's one of his important books, introduction ritual chain. ये आपको याद रखें. Let's see your next question. An area of a social link which is marked by some degree of social coherence and similarity is called, it's a definition of a community. और हमने किया है बहुत बार अपनी टेलीग्राम चैनल पे. The correct answer is community. Let's see your next question. Which of the following instances may not be considered as a reference group behavior? Let me tell you what does this reference group mean. ये क्या होता है reference group? It is a concept that was introduced by Herbert Hyman in his book Archives of Sociology. Or there are always some groups in our society that we want to be look like, that we aspire to be. Take the example of Sanskrit. Sanskrit में क्या होता था? ये जो lower peoples थे ये क्या करते थे, इमिटेट करते थे जो अपर लोग थे ना, उन्हीं का लाइफ स्टाइल इमिटेट करते थे. और ये जो मतलब यहाँ पे ब्राह्मण थे ना, ये जो अपर लोग थे ना, ये रेफरेंस ग्रुप था उनके लिए. और मतलब ये मतलब ज़रूरी नहीं मतलब हम इन्हीं के एग्जाम्पल ले, हम अपनी भी एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं. मतलब हमारी सोसाइटी में मतलब कि दिन ब दिन क्या यही चलता आ रहा है. मतलब सोसाइटी में कुछ ऐसे मतलब दो चार होते हैं मतलब अमीर लोग, हम उन्हीं को क्या कॉपी करते हैं. सो दैट कैन बी आल्सो ए रेफरेंस ग्रुप फॉर अस. और यहाँ पे जो एक करेक्ट आंसर वो मॉडर्नाइजेशन है, क्योंकि मॉडर्नाइजेशन में कोई रेफरेंस ग्रुप नहीं होता है. ये हमने किया है बहुत बार टेलीग्राम चैनल. इट्स आल्सो इन नेट PYQ. So this was all about this video. If you liked the video, do like and share, and click on the bell icon also, so that you will be notified of my upcoming videos. Thank you.